How to disable WhatsApp calls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch WhatsApp app. Make sure that you log in or sign in. Navigate to three dots at top right. Choose Settings option. Select Notifications and now look for the option to disable calls. As you can see, we don't have that option on app. Alternatively, you can exit WhatsApp, long press on app, select eye icon. Now select Manage Notifications. Now scroll down to the bottom of your screen and on the Other section toggle off the button for turn Other Notifications and now call Notifications at bottom of your screen. With that, you will successfully disable WhatsApp calls and turn it off. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.